How to freeze your location on Snapchat. You want to click on the settings icon at the top right once you're in the map of Snapchat. And over here, make sure ghost mode is on. Once you do that, click on over here where it says until turned off. Now your friends won't be able to see your location, but it's going to show them your last location. Basically, until you turned on the ghost mode, wherever you were, that is going to be your last location. And if this also doesn't work, what you can do is open up your phone setting, scroll all the way down and click on apps. Over here, you want to find Snapchat and click on Snapchat and click on the option called location at the top and click on never. Once you do that, your location will be off and they won't be able to see where you are. And if you want to give your location away, then come back here and click on always to turn it on again. That's how you guys can do it. And you can also just do this while using app. So basically, whenever you use the app, it's going to show your location. If you don't, the people are going to see the last location where you use the app. This is also basically very good to turn on freeze location on Snapchat. Subscribe to our channel.